Hi guys. Welcome back to part 4 of Learn Linux Basic Commands. Let's dig in. grep command searches the given file for lines containing a match to the given strings or words. In this example, to search for the word test in a file named file1.txt, insert command grep test file1.txt. It will show only lines containing the word test. To do a case-insensitive search for the word test, insert command grep-i test file1.txt. It will display lines with the word test with small letters as well as capital letters. To get the line number where the word test is found, insert command grep-n test file1.txt. PS command is used for viewing processes on a system, which stands as abbreviation for process status. PS command is used to list the currently running processes and their PIDs along with some other information depends on different options. View all the running processes, use command PS-A. View all the running processes owned by you, use command ps-x. Kill command is used to terminate processes manually. Insert command kill, then the PID of the process to be terminated. Less command is used to read the contents of a text file one page, one screen, at a time. It has faster access because if file is large it doesn't access the complete file, but accesses it page by page. Press spacebar to continue page by page, when finished press Q to exit.